What is going on, guys? Hope you guys had an amazing Christmas and holiday just spent with loved ones. I definitely did. Unfortunately, I think though I am getting kind of sick, so if you can tell, my voice is a little weird. Anyways, today I want to do like a mini room makeover. Well, actually the past couple of days I've been kind of just changing up my room a little bit. Yeah, I got inspired because I've been watching a lot of like room tours, room makeovers, and there was a section of my room that I really wanted to change for a while now, so we're going to do that today. Also going to do a quick back workout for you guys, so I'm going to put that in the middle of like the video. But I feel like I am kind of forgetting something actually. Alright. Okay, so let me show you what we are trying to change up. Actually, what I've been doing the past couple days. Okay, so this wall right here, if you guys remember, it was actually like a blue ombre a couple of days ago. It was actually the day before Christmas. So we have this like wooden wallpaper. It's like a gray wood, and I thought it looks like a lot more cleaner. I also got this rug from Amazon pretty recently, $30. Pretty good purchase. I think it's a good deal, but it's not like super like fluffy, you know. For the price you get, you get what you pay for. What I also want to do is add like a plant right over here, and like maybe one right there, and then I also want to get some frames to put above my bed, because right now it's looking kind of plain, but I definitely love this look versus the other previous like ombre blue color. I don't know what was going on. So yeah, plan is to get a couple plants, get some frames, and that's what we're gonna do today. But first we are going to hit that workout, so let's go.
So I found a couple of things at Ross, and I was actually pleasantly surprised. I didn't think I'd find anything here that I wanted, but I found basically everything here that I needed.
Let's go see what it looks like when we put it all together. Alright, so I think we're done. Let me show you guys the final result.